Today we are discussing 3.6 locating and comparing decimal. Here given a decimal 1.4. This means unit between 1 and 2 is divided into 10 equal parts. Here given 10 equal parts. There here circle 1.4 means 1 in between 1 and 2 10 points are lies there on the number line 1.1, 1.2, 1.3, 1.4, 1.5 like that 1.9 next 2. Here is a 1.4 on the number line means 4 such equal parts are there. In between 1 and 2 10 equal parts and this is the 1.4 is the fourth part. Fourth decimal part here. Next, name all the divisions between 1 and 1 point on the number line. Here some points are given. In between 1 and 1.1 and 1.1 on the number line we have to write the divisions. Here already given 1.04. 04 given and another such parts we have to write here. Here 1 and 1 point. 1.01 means it is 100th part. 1.1 and 1.2 on the above line means it is 10th part. So we are directly writing 1.1, 1.2. Here for our confirmation they gave 1.04. In between 1 and 1.1 100th parts are there. 1.01, 1.02, 1.03 like that 1.09 and after that 1.1 means here 100th part. In the above it's a 10th part and here point of after decimal 0, 01, 02 means it is 100th part. Decimal after 1 value means it is 10th part. So in between 1 and 1.1 100 divisions are there. 1.01 like that 1.09. So 100 divisions are there. Next, identify and write the decimal numbers against the letters. Here 5, 5.1, 5.3, 5.4 given. Some divisions are there. In between the divisions some letters are there. We have to write the decimal numbers to the letters. Let us find out. To find out the letters here given 5 on number line. Next 5.1, 5.2, 5.3 like that. In between A mark. In between in letter A there is divisions 5 after what 5.5 in between 5 and 5.1 5.01 5.02 up to 5.08 and next near letter A which division have to come 5.09 next 5.1 5.11 5.12 near B letter 5.13 have to come. After counting 5.13, 14, 15, 16, 5.2 is missing. Near C, 5.2 have to come. The division after 5.1, 5.2 have to come. They are missing. After recounting 5.13, 5.14 like that, 5.19 after 5.2. Next 5.21, 5.23, 5. Up to 5.3. Next 5.3 means 5.30. Next 5.31. Near D letter 5.31 have to come. There is zero dilemma. Here given 0.2 and it can be written as 0.20, 0.200. Here decimal number 0.2. It is in units place means in tens place 2. Next 0.20 in unit 0, tens 2, hundreds 0. But here in 0.200 same in tens place 2 and remaining 00. But in 0.02 in units and tens place 0. But in hundreds place 2. means 2 is in hundredths place. Next 0.002, here 2 is in thousands place. Can you tell which of these is the smallest and which is the largest? We have to. Here in 0.2, 0.20, 0.200 are same because 2 is in same position after decimal. But here position of 2 is changed. In 0.02, 2 is in hundreds place. But in 0.002, 2 is in thousands place. Whenever after point the value is decreasing means it is the smallest value, and value is in after decimal means it is the highest value. So here smallest is the value is in thousands place 0.002 and is the largest is 0.2. So like that. Which of these are the same? 4.5, 4.05, 4.05 and 4.050. 4.50, 4.005, 4.50 are same or not, we have to find. Here 4.5 and next 4.05 not same. Point after decimal after 4.5. Either before 4 0 will be acceptable means not calculated. After decimal 5 is there, no 5 after 0 not calculated. So 4.5, 4.50 and 4.50 are in same group. And next 4.05, 4.050 are in another way. But here 0.405 and 4.005 are not same. These are different and these two belongs to different means 4 and 4.5 is in constant place. Here 4.05 is in constant place. Before and after zeros are not valuable. So they are in this order. Here which decimal is greater? 1.23 or 1.32? Here 1.2 is small, 1.32 is only greater. After decimal value 2 is smaller and 3 is the biggest number. Here 3.81 and 13.8, obviously 13 only is greater. So 13.800. Next 1.009, 1.090. Here 1 is same, 0 is same. But here after decimal 0, then 0 came. Here 9 came. So 1.090 is only greater. Here given closest decimals. Given 0.9, 1.1, 1.01 and 1.11. We have tried closest to 1.09. Which number is closest to 1.09? Here 0, if we write in ascending order decimals, 0.9 is lower and after 1.01 and then 1.1, which is closer to 1.1. Next closest to 4. Here 3.56, 3.65, 3.099. Next we write like this in ascending order: 3.099, 3.56, 3.65, 3.5 after 3.6, next 3.7. So closest to 4 is what? 3.65. Next closest to 1, 0.8, 0.69, 1.08. Closest to 1, which decimal number? 1.08, because 0.6 is smaller and then 0.8 also less than 1, and that nearer to 1.1 is 1.08 because 1 after decimal 0 is there. So it is considered as basically 1 only. So it is nearer to 1. And here 0.8 means 0.9 is there, 0.10, 1 is there, 1 is there. So 1.08 is considered as closest to 1. By using 4, 1, 8, 2, 5, we have to arrange the number closest to 25. By using those digits, we can write 24.851. Another two boxes we cannot write because in second row one box only is there. Closest to 25 means we can take 24 or 28, 25. But here remaining two rows are not valid. So first row is 24.851. It is closest to 25.